So hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 14 of rational of class 7, that is rational numbers. In this part we are going to learn, that is part 7, we are going to learn about addition of rational numbers. Okay, so let us start. So here we have our first example, that is add the following. Now in our first example we have to add 4 upon minus 13 and 7 upon 13. Now, for addition of rational numbers, one thing is necessary that both the numbers should have same denominator. Now, right now here, they both are having same denominator. So, okay, so we can add them. But before that, the denominators or the number must be in standard form, that is this denominator should always be positive. Okay, so in the first step only we'll make it positive. How to make it positive? So this 4 upon minus 13 will become minus 4 upon 13 plus our next number 7 upon 13. Okay, now both these numbers are having same denominator, so we can directly add the numerators. Okay, so now this minus 4 plus the next number, that is 7, divided by, now denominator will be written only 1. Okay, so here we have written it as 13. Now both the numbers are having opposite sign, so there will be subtraction of numbers. So 7 minus 4 will become 3. So our final answer will be 3 upon 13. Okay, let us consider one more example. Now here in this example we have to add minus 7 upon 27 and 5 upon 18. Now here it can be seen that both the numbers are having different denominators. So the very first thing is that we have to make these denominators same. And how to make them same? So we have to find the LCM of the two denominators. Okay, so LCM of 27 and 18 is how much? 54. Okay, now what we will do, we'll make this number also its denominator 54 and this number's denominator also 54. Okay, so now we are having our original numbers minus 7 upon 27 plus 5 upon 18. Now to make this denominators 54, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, so when we multiply it by 2, we get it in this way: minus 7 into 2, 27 into 2. Why we are multiplying it by 2 only? Because we want this denominator 54, and for making this denominator 54, we have to multiply the denominator by 2. The same number we will multiply with the numerator. Okay, now here we have denominator as 18, we want to make it 54. So we will multiply the denominator by what? We'll multiply the denominator by 3, as we have done over here. Now the same number we will multiply with the numerator. So you will get it as 5 into 3. Okay. Now our regular multiplication over here. So minus into plus will become minus. 7 twos are 14. That will be minus 14. And 27 twos are, so that is 54. Okay. Now this 5 threes are, so it is 15, and 18 threes are 54. Okay, now both these numbers are having same denominator, so we can write the numerators together. So in next step you will get minus 14 plus 15 upon 54. Now again both the numbers are having opposite sign, so we'll do 15 minus 14, that is 1 upon 54 will be our answer. Okay, now let us consider one more example. Next example. Now here we have to add three different numbers, that is 9 upon 16, minus 5 upon 12 and minus 7 upon 18. Again same condition, that we have to make the denominators same. Okay, to make this denominator same, first we will find the LCM of 16, 12 and 18. So LCM of 16, 12 and 18 is how much? 144. Okay, now our regular numbers, therefore now we have 9 upon 16 plus minus 5 upon 12 plus minus 7 upon 18. Okay, now each of this denominator we want to make it as 144. 4. Okay, so to make this 16 as 144, we will multiply the denominator by, yes, 9. Okay, to make this 12 as 144, we will multiply the denominator by 12, and to make this 18 as 144, we will multiply the denominator by 8. Okay, now same condition, the number by which you have multiplied the denominator, same must be multiplied with the numerator. So here we have multiplied the denominator by 9, so the numerator will also be multiplied by 9. Okay, here we have multiplied the denominator by 12, so the numerator should also be multiplied by 12, and here we have multiplied the denominator by 8, so this minus 7 will also be multiplied by 8. Okay, now just go on multiplying the numerator with numerator, denominator to denominator. So 9 nines are, so we get it as 81 upon 144. Okay, the next minus into plus will become minus, 12 fives are, you will get 60 upon 144. The next one minus into plus will become minus, and 7 eights are 56 upon 144. Now here it can be seen that all the numbers are having same denominator, so we can write the numerators together. Okay, so in next step we get 81 plus. Now remember that these are having minus sign, so first let us write it in bracket. So you will get plus minus 60 plus minus 56. Okay, and it divided by 144. Okay, now let us open this bracket. Okay, so this plus minus will become minus, so in next step you will get 81 minus 60 minus 56 upon 144. Okay, now if you subtract this one, 81 minus 60 minus 56, so our final answer is minus 35 upon 144. Okay, so in this way we have learned about addition of rational numbers. What thing is necessary, that the only thing we have to focus is that while addition or subtraction of rational numbers, the denominators, they must be same. If they are not same, we have to make it same by finding their LCM. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.